Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name is Amanda and today we are going to be doing a cha-cha workout that has 5 different levels of difficulty. Comment below which level you were able to get through no problem and also which level was difficult for you. We are working on a new program, so if you would like to be first to hear when it goes live, sign up using the link in the description below. Alrighty guys, it is time for level 1. We are going to have a time step, a basic step, New York, and a shoulder to shoulder. Get ready, and cha-cha 1, time step. Side together, side together. Very good.
Sabroso, señoras y señores. Este es un baile.
Keep it going. Get those arms pumping. And now we got a basic step. Here we go. Forward. Back. Forward. Cha-cha-cha. Back. Forward. Back. Keep going. Very good. Get ready. New York. Cross. Very good, guys. Shoulder to shoulder, forward. Again, forward. We're gonna bring it back. 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 Back to that time step. Cha-cha-cha. 2, 3. Cha-cha-cha. Together. Very good. Basic step. Forward. Back. Very good, guys. Last time we're gonna go New York. Cross. Very good. Get ready. We're going to do a shoulder to shoulder. We're going to do forward first. To the corner. Very good. And done. Okay, guys. Level 2. We have a hand-to-hand. We have a spot turn. We have 3 cha-cha-chas. And there and back. Get ready. We're starting with the hand-to-hand. Here we go. And 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. Back. 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 Very good. Keep this up. Get ready, spot turn. Three cha-chas, here we go. Cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha. We do side together, side, forward lock step, side together, side, New York. Cha-cha-cha. Okay, there and back. Cha-cha-cha. We do switch, run, back. Run, 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 back. Run, run, run. Switch. Side together, side, switch. Side together, side, switch. Run, 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 back. Run, 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 switch. Side together, side, switch. Side together, side, switch. Run, 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 back. Run, 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 switch. Side together, side. One more time. Very good. Get ready. Hand to hand. Spot turn. turn, cha-cha-cha, turn. Alrighty guys, level 3. We are now introducing some syncopations, some guapacha timing. We're gonna start with the basic with a guapacha timing, syncopated time step, Cuban break, simple Cuban break, and a single Cuban break. Get ready. And 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, and 3, cha-cha, 1, and 3, cha-cha, 1, and 3, cha-cha, 1, and 3. Keep this up. And watch, cha-cha, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1. Syncopated time. Very good. Together to the other side, together to the other side, together to the other side. Very good. Keep this up, guys. And watch. 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. Simple Cuban break. Check. Side to the other side. Very good. Get ready. Watch. 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1. Very good. And 3. We're back to that guapacha basic. Cha-cha, 1 and 3, 1 and 3, cha-cha, 1 and 3, 1 and 3, and 3, 1. Syncopated time. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Together to the other side. Very good. Alrighty guys, we are at level 4. We are going to do a syncopated Cuban break double. We're gonna have a ronde chasse, a hip twist chasse, and a compact chasse. Get ready. Here we go. 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1. Cross, side, cross, side. Get ready. After this, we're gonna go into our ronde chasse. 2, 3, hip twist, compact, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, side, 2, 3, 4, side. Ronde, hip twist, compact, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, side. Ronde, hip twist, compact, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Ronde, hip twist, compact, double, ronde, hip twist, compact. Keep this up. Compact. Ronde, hip twist, compact, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Ronde, hip twist, compact, 2 and 3, 4 and double. Very good. Keep it up. Breathe in through your nose, out of your mouth. Keep going. Ronde, hip twist, compact, 2 and 3, 4 and 1. Ooh. Compact. Keep it going. Ooh. Compact. Come on, guys. You can do it. Finish it out. Whew. Very good. On this side. Woo. Very good. Breathe in through your nose, out of your mouth. I got a little silent on you guys at the end of that one because I needed a chance to breathe. Woo. Alrighty. We have level 5. Get ready. We are going to do a box. We are going to go into a little funky combination. We'll show you what that looks like. And then we will have a slip chasse. Get ready. Here we go, box. Go. 2 and 3, 4 and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 1. Keep this up. Very good. Watch this combo. 2, ronde, heel, cross, turn. Again. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. Heel, cross, turn. Check, ronde, heel. One more time. And a slip chasse. Watch. 4 and 1. Let's do that again. Slip. And 2, 3, 4 and 1. Do it again. And 2, 3, 4 and 1. Do it again. And go. 2, 3, 4 and 1. Watch, we're gonna go. And 2, 3, 4 and 1. One more time. Back, side, run, run, side. Do it again. Back, side, run, run, side. Do it again. Go. Back, side, run, run, side. Do it again. Back, side, run, run, side. Very good, guys. Get ready. All together. Box step. 2, 3, and go. 2 and 3, 4 and 1. 2 and 3. Funky combo. Hop, T, 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 ta, boom. Slip. 2, 3. Back, back, side. Run, run, box. Again. T, T, T. Funky combo. Check. Ronde. Hop. And slip. And back, side. Run, run, box. 2 and 3. And boom. Slip. And back, side, run, run, boom. T, 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 T. Very good, guys. Keep it up. Woo. Keep going. Breathe in through that nose. Woo. Go. Very good. Alrighty, guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.